Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your EverWebinar account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn off the chat in your webinar with EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn off the chat in EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing evergreen webinars, sometimes the messages or chats that people add in are not going to be relevant to the sale. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to turn off the chat, here on the left side, you want to be sure to click on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the webinars you're currently running. So go ahead and choose the webinar that you want to turn the chat off. So for example, this one, and just click on, all right, once you do that, you'll see these blue bubbles and you want to click on live. It looks like a play. All right, once you do that, you'll see these 5 options and you want to click here on live chat box. Go ahead and click on the pencil icon. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see the various chat options. So you can see this one has live chat enabled. So to turn it off, you just click here on disable chat. Now, if you don't want to completely turn off the chat, but you want to still take questions from your viewers, you can click right here, display a question box. Once you do that, the users will be able to type in a question and it's going to go to your email address that you put in right here. So basically this one is disabled. They can't send you a message. This one enables it, but no one else is going to be able to see it except for you and them, the person who sent the question in this box. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disable chat in your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.